Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to choose the best password manager. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to choose the best password manager, you need to simply go and look for some searches. So once you have simply found some searches, to select the best password manager, you need to prioritize top tier security, that is AES 256 encryption, zero knowledge architecture, cross platform syncing, and ease of use. Now, the top choices include Bitwarden, OnePassword, NordPassword, and Proton Pass. You can also check for key features to check include biometric login, automatic password generation, and breach alerts. So if you're gonna mind all these points in your head, you will be able to choose the best password manager. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.